seems legit.
Alright guys, I got mail! Yay! So I thought I would open it. As you can see, it is X-Tool. I have purchased some stuff that goes with my laser machine. So this one is the Air Assist. So what the Air Assist does, for those of you who don't know anything about these at all, what the Air Assist does is it blows like a constant stream of air so that it won't discolor, or at least it'll help avoid the discoloration of whatever it is that you're cutting or engraving. So I got this so that it will stop discoloring all the cool stuff I've been making. So it's very well done off. Gotta keep cutting. This is the Fabulous Nice my husband made me. I love it. Alright, I got one bit. Oh, here we go. Right. So right on top, you can see we have the user guide on how to plug it in, which is good because I have no idea how to do that. Easy instructions. I like that. Excellent. So it's just picture instructions, which means it's good for everyone. And then on top we've got another box. It's like a box inside a box. So in here we have a whole bunch of stuff. So we've got the cord and what looks like some tape. And then more padding. And then look at this. It's all very pretty in the box. I love it. So this is the Air Assist tool with the hole. So this will replace the orange one that's already on there. And it's got the hole to help shoot the air in. I don't know what that is, but that... Oh yeah, AU plug, and then it's got like a weird looking whatever. And then this is the machine. Got some weight to it, I will give it that, which is good. Means it's probably a lot less flimsy. I'm going to keep this since I'm moving shortly. Oh, and I nearly missed this piece in the top here. I say nearly because not quite. So that's all of those. The other thing I have ordered, which is in the big box, is the honeycomb base for it to sit on. So I won't still just be burning holes in that random piece of wood that's underneath my machine that I'm sure you've all seen. So essentially now I can get rid of that because I have the honeycomb replacement. Nothing else in the box. It's even got like nice corners so it doesn't get damaged. Oh, and it has, I assume, oh no, not really so much instructions. It's just, it tells you the different machines it can go with. So I'm just going to cut into this. Like so, and then we'll take the corner protectors off. Oh, I love bubble wrap. Ah, these are magnets. I assume to help hold stuff down. Didn't see that coming. So that's cool. They're actually quite strong magnets too. And then along these edges, it's also got the measurements, which is cool. And then that will sit on top of this here piece of metal. So even if the laser goes through this, it then gets stopped by this. So the reason I got this is basically just so I don't have to keep smelling all the burning wood. So yeah, that is everything. And that fits on there lovely. And we've got these corner things too. So it can protect all the corners. They've got some double-sided tape on them, and then I assume I just stick them on the top and the bottom, like that, just to further protect it. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to go set it up, and then we're going to do something with the Air Assist, because I'm very, very excited. Alright, So, I have already put the honeycomb underneath. You just slot it under, so I figured I didn't need to show you that. But we are now going to follow the 8 instructions and put this together. So, step 1's actually on this page. So, we're going to take this piece and some tubing and put the tubing on, and then this goes on the side bit. Pretty simple. I don't know how on we need to get it. I imagine fairly on. Like so. And then we're going to attach this tubing to here. Okay? I don't know how far in to push it, but it actually feels quite secure. So there's that. I've already done 2 steps of the 8. So this feels like it's going to be, oops, I just ripped it. My bad. Okay, so now we're going to take this. I already took it off here. And we get a whole bunch of like Allen keys and stuff. Okay, so we're undoing the big holes. So the big holes here. Or is it the little holes? Oh, I don't know. It's actually a very good point. No, it's the little holes. So we need the little Allen key. Makes sense. Lefty loosey, righty tighty, for anyone that doesn't know that. Okay, so that's that one out enough. And out comes that bit. Then this one is also wrapped in plastic, so I'm going to rip the plastic off. I don't want that on there. It doesn't look as pretty. Right. And pull that one off. Then we need this random metal piece, which looks like so. And on top, I've done that bit. I might also give this a bit of a clean while I'm here. So this bit we need to undo. So if that's like that, these 2 here. So I'm following in line with this little groovy part here. So we need to undo these 2. This one definitely needs, it needs a Phillips head screwdriver. Screwdriver acquired. So then we go back to the picture and we're taking off this one here. There we go. 1 and 2. Like so. And then we put this piece with the circle part sticking out like so. Then just put the screws back in. All seems a bit too easy, doesn't it? Okay, so that's that bit in. Now, over this, we need to open a little nozzle. And this goes over here. So before I do that, I'm going to grab a baby wipe, which I keep in the drawer for my convenience, and some rubbing alcohol, and clean that lens because it's going to be quite difficult to get to it later. Right? And look, all this green stuff comes off. I just want to get it nice and clean now so I don't have to come back later and do it. Much, much easier. There we go. Okay, now I'm happy. So, with this way facing up, the nozzle goes on like this. And then we need to get a screw out of here. Oh, wait. Go back to a hex screw. And it goes in here. So the hole at the side has to be the same side as where we put our little silver groove thing. So this is the same side as the hole here. And that's 5 of 8 done. Look at us go. Then we're going to take this and we're going to put that so that the hole is obviously at the same side. Slot that in all the way up. And then we need the little one to tighten it. Someone who's not big on building, I feel like I'm on fire. It's really satisfying if you're not great at building. These instructions are very clear. I like that. Alright, tighten that one up. Nice and tight. Then, this bit goes in here. I don't think it's twisting anymore, so that's probably it. And we want this to face towards the back, according to the picture. So done that. And then we're going to take this piece of hose, thread it down through here, and then attach it onto here. All of that was very simple. Now it looks like this thing makes it so you can't pull it back out. Very clever. I like it. Okay, and then that just goes back on. And slot it on like that. Just set it anywhere. It's not set for anything in specific yet. Now the main thing I'm going to be concerned about is this flopping around. So that's something I'm going to have to maybe get a cable tie and cable tie this to that, so that at least it's going to potentially not flop down like this. And I already put my plug on the end, and I have a power board here for such occasions. I actually put it there yesterday. Right, and that is it. Tape, I assume that is to fix it to this, so that would make a lot of sense to me. So I don't want it too tight. I don't want this pulling in any way. I just want it to attach to here, I think. It's currently making me the happiest. See, at least now it'll sit up and stay out of the way. Awesome. Right, on to turning onto the laptop. Right, so I've just turned it on. As you can hear, it does make a little bit of noise, but nothing too major. I'm going to grab this random piece of leftover stuff I have, pop it underneath. It's making noise because it's hitting the honeycomb. And then I'm going to flip this down because it's probably definitely not to level. And then you just let it fall so it falls onto that. And then lift that back up. Try not to leave that down because it can get annoying. So now I'm just going to send the machine home if it wants to connect. There we go. Send it home. I always like to send it home first. It helps it think. I personally think. And then, now that I've sent it home, we are going to frame where it's actually going to cut. Alright, so I don't want to waste much, so I want to put this up in the corner, like so. I wonder if these magnets will do anything. Oh, it does. Cool. Alright, let's do that again. So we're going to frame it. We're just doing some earrings. So let's run it and see what happens. So I forgot to let the machine know that I have the air assist on, so it didn't work as brilliantly as I'd hoped. And then let's have a look at these. Take my glasses off, turn that off and that off. Cut through nicely, and the air assist means that There's no discoloration on the back, which is really exciting for me. It's also probably this. It's probably a combination of the two. So these didn't come out the best. So I will be trying them again and actually tell it that the air assist is on. But the holes look good. And like I said, the back is perfectly the normal colour. So there you go. That was pretty cool. Alright, I'm off to do some more stuff, but thank you for popping in and watching my mail order. These, I would definitely say, are worth it already, just because of that alone. It's very cool. Alright guys, I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.